was our telephone pole. Tommy was having all of that.
Yep. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the Butterfield. Can everybody hear me okay?
Hear you fine.
Yeah, everything's
When we
good.
start into the historical area, I'll start talking. If you guys have any questions or anything, just ask, okay?
Okay.
Did you really?
No.
I got a little more room in the car in the back. Nothing big, you know? Hi, Missy.
Yep. Okay, guys, as we cross 3rd and Allen, we're getting into some of the most historic districts in Tombstone. If you will look out my